Hello! At Filings Corner, we provide ISO 9001-2015 certification services, helping businesses establish a strong foundation for quality management and operational excellence. Our expert team, including chartered accountants, CAs, company secretaries, CSAs, advocates, and MBAs, ensures a seamless and efficient certification process to meet global standards. What is ISO 9001-2015? ISO 9001-2015 is a globally recognized quality management system, QMS standard. It helps businesses ensure their products or services meet customer and regulatory requirements, leading to enhanced customer satisfaction, streamlined operations, continuous improvement. Who needs ISO 9001-2015 certification? ISO 9001-2015 is ideal for manufacturers, improve product quality and consistency service providers, enhance customer satisfaction and service efficiency, educational institutions, improve educational processes, healthcare organizations, ensure better patient care, government entities, strengthen governance and transparency startups and SMEs, build trust and credibility in the market. Key benefits of ISO 9001-2015. Here's how ISO 9001-2015 can transform your business. Boost customer satisfaction, deliver high-quality products, services, enhance operational efficiency, reduce wastage, save costs, mitigate risks, identify and eliminate process inefficiencies, increase market opportunities, gain a competitive advantage, ensure compliance, meet industry standards and regulations. Our certification process. It's easy to get your ISO 9001-2015 certification with Filings Corner. 1. Purchase a certification package. Visit our website and choose a plan. 2. Submit required documents. Securely share your business information. 3. Audit and assessment. We conduct compliance verification. 4. Certification issuance. Get your official ISO 9001-2015 certificate. Why choose Filings Corner? Here's why businesses trust Filings Corner for ISO certification. Authorized and recognized certification provider, fast and affordable services, Rs. $5,000 only, excluding taxes and government fees, experienced professionals, trusted CAs, CSs, and legal experts. Confidential and secure process, call to action, empowering close. Contact us now or visit filingscorner.com to begin your ISO 9001-2015 journey. Let's make your business ISO certified and globally recognized.